In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color on your website to match your style and brand perfectly. Let's dive right in and make your site truly stand out. First, hover your mouse over the header area of your website, and you should see an option that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to be your main access point to make all the adjustments we need for your header. It's like opening the door to your creative side, allowing you to customize and tweak your site just the way you envision it. With the site header editing mode now active, the next step is to click on Site Styles. You should see this option pop up on your screen, and it's here that you'll have the chance to redefine the aesthetic essence of your site. Once you're in Site Styles, direct your attention to the Colors section. This area is where the magic happens, offering a palette of possibilities to make your site pop with vibrancy and cohesion. Now here comes the exciting part. Select your current color theme, and within this, look for the Site Title Header option. This is specifically targeting the area we want to modify, ensuring that your adjustments will have direct impact on the appearance of your header. With that selected, you'll see a color picker tool become available. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, allowing for both flexibility and precision. You can either use the visual color picker to find just the right hue that fits your vision, or if you have a specific shade in mind, go ahead and paste in a hex code. A hex code is great for consistency across all your branding materials, allowing you to use exactly the same color for everything related to your brand. However, if you're interested in changing your logo's color across different pages, things get a bit trickier. For this, you'll require a more advanced approach through custom CSS. This involves writing a code snippet that specifically targets the logo based on your site's color theme. Custom CSS requires a bit of technical know-how, but it offers the ultimate flexibility and precision in tweaking your website's appearance exactly how you want it. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in presenting a professional, polished image to your audience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've tailored your site's header color to perfectly suit your style. Giving attention to these details not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also strengthens the overall user experience. Now, your website better reflects your brand's personality and appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.